This is the problem I was having with my LG washing machine. The washing machine wasn't sensing the load properly. The agitator would only turn to the right, not to the left. After sensing, the washing machine would fill up all the way to the top with water, then get stuck in the washing cycle. After being stuck in the washing cycle for about a half an hour, I can smell the motor burning on the washing machine. I was able to empty the machine of water by advancing it to the spin and rinse cycle. After the laundry went through the spin cycle, I looked at the bottom to see if I can remove the agitator. I'm lucky I found this right away because I don't think I would have noticed it otherwise. At least not right away. As I was looking at the bottom of the drum, this caught my eye. A dime had wedged itself between the agitator and the drum of the washing machine. This caused the machine to lock up. See the dime?
Yeah.
Now can I get it out? Ooh, it's in there good.
It's like bending the dime.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so we might have to... Because of shoulder surgery earlier this year, I've only got the use of one hand and couldn't remove the coin.
Might have to put some...
So I had my son come and give me a hand, and he was able to remove it. He used a small screwdriver to pry the agitator over just enough to pull the coin out. As he was prying on the agitator, he held onto the coin so it wouldn't fall deeper into the washing machine.
Oh yeah.
Once we got the dime out, I started the machine again and everything worked fine. I recorded this a couple of months ago, and since then another coin has gotten stuck in the bottom of the machine. Because this has happened before, we can tell there was something wrong when the machine wouldn't sense the load. So we were able to stop it and remove the coin. The first time it got stuck, we think it was stuck for about a half an hour and it smelled like an electrical motor was burning. I think I got lucky because it's still working fine to this day. Make sure you remove everything from your pockets before you wash. Something as small as a dime may cost you $1,000.